Here's what keeps most people poor. They wait. They wait for the perfect time to invest. They wait until they have more money. They wait until they understand it better. And by the time they finally act, usually around age 35 or 40, they've already lost over $200,000 in compound growth. That's not an exaggeration. That's the actual cost of hesitation. The painful truth? You don't need to understand everything to start. You just need to start. The real barrier to wealth isn't knowledge or money. It's psychology. Your brain is literally wired to protect you from risk, which means it's wired to keep you broke. Fear, doubt, analysis paralysis. These aren't character flaws. They're normal. But here's what separates the wealthy from everyone else. They acknowledge the fear and act anyway. They understand that the risk of not investing is far greater than the risk of investing. Let me show you the math that proves this. Imagine two people, Sarah and Mike. Sarah invests $5,000 at age 20 and never touches it. She gets an average annual return. Mike waits until he's 30 and invests the same $5,000 with the same 8% return. By age 60, Sarah has $2,000, Mike has $7,000. The only difference? 10 years. Sarah didn't invest more money. She didn't take bigger risks. She just started earlier. This is compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. And right now, if you're under 35, time is literally your superpower. Let me address the elephant in the room. I don't have enough money to start investing. That's the story you're telling yourself, and it's costing you. You don't need $10,000 to begin. Most brokers let you start with $1, $10, or $100 or dollars. Apps like index funds and fractional shares mean you can own a piece of Apple, Microsoft, or the entire stock market with your next coffee budget. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The only remaining barrier is you deciding to do it. Now let's talk about the psychology of wealth builders, the people who actually win. First, they make investing automatic. They set up automatic transfers, so money moves to their investment account before they can spend it. Second, they focus on consistency over performance. They don't try to time the market or pick individual stocks. They buy index funds and let them grow. Third, they think in decades, not days. They ignore the noise, the market crashes, the headlines. They keep investing when everyone else is panicking. Fourth, they understand that small wins compound. An extra $100 a month at age 25 becomes $300,000 by 65th. They track their money. They know exactly where it's going because you can't improve what you don't measure. Here's your action plan, starting today. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. It takes 15 minutes. Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab. They're all solid. Step 2. Set up automatic monthly investments, even if it's just $50. Step 3. Buy a low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500 or total market. That's it. You don't need to pick individual stocks. You don't need a finance degree. You need a system and discipline. Most people fail at investing not because the market is hard. It's because they quit when it gets uncomfortable. Don't be most people. The uncomfortable truth is this: every single day you delay, you're losing money. Not because the market is going down, but because compound interest isn't working for you. Every month costs you hundreds or thousands in future wealth. So the real question isn't, should I start investing? It's, how much am I willing to lose by waiting? Because waiting isn't safe. Waiting is the riskiest thing you can do with your financial future. This is educational content about personal finance fundamentals, not financial advice. Before you invest, speak with a qualified financial advisor about what's right for your situation. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe. We drop content every week on wealth building, investing tips for beginners, stock market basics, and money habits that actually work. Drop a comment telling me what's been holding you back from investing. I read every single one, and your answer might be in next week's video.